Hello everyone! Welcome to the English reading video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Let's begin.
Tom was a 15-year-old student. One sunny afternoon, after finishing school, he started walking home. He was in a good mood because the lessons were easy that day, and he had no homework. He carried his school bag on his back and listened to music on his phone while walking along the street. After a few minutes, Tom felt a little hungry. He decided to stop at a small shop to buy some ice cream. When he put his hand into his pocket to take his wallet, he was shocked. His wallet was not there. Tom stopped immediately. He checked his left pocket, then his right pocket. He opened his school bag and looked inside every small pocket. But the wallet was missing. He began to panic. "Oh no, where is it? Did I drop it?" he thought. The wallet was very important to Tom. It had some money, his bus card, and even a photo of his family. Tom felt very worried. He decided to go back to school and search for it on the way. Tom walked slowly and carefully. He looked on the sidewalk, under benches, and near the park fence. He even checked near a tree where he sometimes sat with his friends. But the wallet was not there. On the way, Tom asked a man, "Excuse me, have you seen a small black wallet?" The man shook his head and said, "No, sorry." Then Tom asked a woman near the bus stop, but she also hadn't seen it. After almost an hour, Tom felt very tired. His legs hurt and he was thirsty. He decided to go home. Maybe it's gone forever, he thought sadly. At home, Tom told his mother everything. She said, "Don't worry. Sometimes good people return lost things. Let's hope someone finds it." Tom felt a little better, but was still nervous. Later in the evening, when Tom was sitting in his room, he suddenly heard a knock on the door. Knock, knock. His mother opened the door, and there stood a kind woman. She was holding a small black wallet in her hand. "Hello," she said. "I think this belongs to you. I saw it on the street near the shop this afternoon." Tom's eyes opened wide with surprise and happiness. He quickly took the wallet and said, "Yes, that's mine. Thank you very, very much." He smiled brightly. The woman smiled too and said, "Be careful next time. Always check your pockets." Then she left. Tom felt so happy and relieved. He checked inside the wallet. Everything was there, the money, the bus card, and the family photo. Nothing was missing. That night, Tom told his father about the event. His father said, "You were lucky, Tom." "Not everyone is so honest. Remember this kind woman." Tom nodded and promised himself, "From now on, I will always check my pockets carefully." He went to bed with a big smile, feeling thankful that good people still exist in the world.